Today is a special day because your guardian angels have a very important message for you. Yes, this revelation is for you and could change the course of your destiny. Pay attention, because right now an incredible celestial bond is connecting you to someone younger, someone whose heart beats in harmony with yours. This transcendental bond is not just a vague promise, but a certainty that they will soon be on your path. The universe is working to unite these predestined hearts, and you are now part of this magnificent love story that is about to begin. Believe that love, coming as a divine gift, appears in unexpected and mysterious ways. This is an invitation for you to trust the journey unfolding before you. The person who is approaching has the potential to be a reflection of your essence, the perfect complement to your walk here on earth. Do not be afraid, for the love that is about to be born is the purest and kindest that anyone could hope for from the universe. At this moment, the angels are guiding the steps of the one destined to find you, building the beautiful path that you will soon tread. Although at first it may seem a bit intimidating, the age difference will not be an obstacle for this love to be lived as a true gift from the universe. Yes, this new moment you will live, full of promises and enchantments, is the answer to your silent prayers. The heavens have been watching your journey with loving eyes, and now, at the right time, the revelation will unfold. The person destined to walk by your side carries the flame of youth, a light that will illuminate the days to come. Together, you will create a life of experiences, intertwining your destinies in an unforgettable way. As you move forward on this path, trust in the invisible hand that guides the steps of love. The angels weave a protective mantle around both of you, blessing the path that will unfold. In the heart of this predestined meeting, there is a magic that transcends human understanding, a connection that surpasses the barriers of time and space. Love, as a radiant gift, dissipates the shadows that may appear on the horizon. Feel the confidence growing within you, for you are worthy of this divine gift. In every smile and every look, you will find the traces of the connection that the heavens have conspired to unite. The youth of the soul is eternal, and in this encounter, you will discover a rebirth of joy and fulfillment. Do not rush, for the angel's time is different from earthly time. Embrace this revelation with patience and gratitude, allowing the magic of love to envelop you like a gentle breeze caressing your soul. Imagine, for a moment, a gentle dance of intertwined souls. The person whose heart beats in harmony with yours is a dance partner, a companion on the journey through the constellations of time. The radiant angels bless each step, for this celestial dance is the purest expression of divine love. In every exchanged glance, you will feel the cosmic energy pulsating, connecting you to a deeper reality. This love is an invitation to trust the journey ahead. The person approaching has the potential to be the reflection of your essence, the perfect complement to your earthly journey. The path you are about to follow is one of discovery and wonder. Imagine the angels around you, their faces illuminated by a celestial light, whispering words of encouragement and hope. They see your heart and know your deepest desires, ensuring that every dream of love becomes a reality. This path is not just about finding someone special, but also about exploring the depth of your own heart and the vastness of your soul. The person who approaches will not only complement your life, but will also bring out the best in you, inspiring growth, understanding, and a bond that goes beyond the physical. You may feel a change in the air, a gentle touch of expectation and anticipation. The signs are everywhere, in the birdsong, the stars glow, the gentle breeze that caresses your face. These are small reminders that something wonderful is about to happen, something that will forever change the way you see the world and love. At this moment, your angels are guiding the steps of those destined to unite, creating bonds that withstand the test of time. Let this promise resonate in your soul like a gentle melody, for only through trust will you find the strength to accept this divine gift. Do not fear, my dear, for love is the essence of divinity and flourishes where souls intertwine. The person whose name is still a mystery, but whose soul is already in harmony with yours, is a divine presence sent to illuminate the path ahead. At this moment, the angels sketch a map that will guide your steps to true love. The angels reinforce the message that you should calm any doubts that may afflict your soul. Patience, like a celestial virtue, is the key to fully appreciating the beauty of the unfolding love. Allow yourself to be embraced by this celestial message, for each word is an expression of the eternal love reserved for you. Accept this celestial gift with gratitude. Enjoy every moment of the true essence of love that reveals itself. Every shared experience will further strengthen the bond between you. Every challenge overcome, every moment of joy, will contribute to building a solid and lasting love. There is no rush, for true love blooms at the right time, when both souls are ready to unite and grow together. Embrace every moment of this journey with gratitude and hope. Feel blessed to be part of this divine connection, knowing that the angels are always present, guiding and protecting. Remember that love, as a divine gift, manifests in ways we often cannot predict, but always brings with it unparalleled depth and beauty. Allow yourself to be vulnerable and open to possibilities. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, aligning the stars so that you find the person who will perfectly complement your life. This meeting is not just a coincidence but a celestial desire, a meeting of souls destined to unite and love. Ah, my dear, in this sacred moment, the angels are diligently working to shape your destiny. Each movement is made with precision and love, creating a masterpiece that celebrates the essence of true love. In the radiant colors they use, the image of the person destined to share your life and journey begins to emerge. Every detail is carefully planned to ensure that your connection is deep and lasting. The figure that is forming, although still a mystery, already occupies a central place in this great work of celestial art. The youth of love, symbolized by light and vitality, shines brightly in this portrait. The tones of joy and tenderness intertwine harmoniously, creating a scene where every moment lived together will be like a petal blooming in the flower of destiny. The work being created in the skies is a promise of a future full of vibrant colors and intense emotions. Allow yourself to feel the anticipation and excitement of this moment, for love, like a divine masterpiece, is ready to transform your days with new shades of happiness you have yet to know. Trust in the art of the universe, for like a true master, it creates beauty from apparent chaos. The angels, as silent observers, are giving your love story a special meaning. Each brushstroke is guided by celestial hands, intertwining your narrative with threads of hope and enthusiasm. With each step, you are closer to meeting the person destined for you, someone who will perfectly complement your life. This is a crucial moment in your life, a time when trusting fully in the process is essential. Let the angels guide each of your steps, as they are by your side, ensuring that every decision made and every path chosen leads you to the encounter predestined for you. The beauty of true love lies in its ability to manifest in unexpected and wonderful ways, often surprising us when we least expect it. As you move forward, keep your heart open to the opportunities that arise. Every shared smile, every act of kindness, are precious moments that contribute to writing the pages of love in your destiny. Cherish each of these moments, for they build the foundation of a solid and lasting relationship. Never forget that love is nurtured in the little things, in the everyday details that often go unnoticed. Do not rush. The angels' time is different from ours, and they know the exact moment when everything should happen. Use this waiting period to know yourself better, to understand your deepest desires and dreams. The person approaching will be a reflection of these dreams, someone who will see and appreciate you for who you truly are. Allow yourself to be enveloped by the serenity of this moment. The angels are painting your story with colors of hope, love, and happiness. Each brushstroke is a step towards a bright future, full of promises and achievements. This is the beginning of a new phase in your life, where true love will finally reveal itself in all its glory. Believe that you deserve all of this. You are worthy of deep and true love, of a connection that transcends time and space. The angels are working tirelessly to ensure you find this happiness. Be grateful for every experience and every lesson learned, for they are all preparing you for this special moment. As your story unfolds, remember to be patient and keep the faith. The universe has a wonderful plan for you, and the angels are by your side every step of the way. The beauty of this journey is that it is unique, tailor-made for you. Enjoy every moment, for it is these moments that make up each step of your destiny. You are ready for this new adventure. Embrace it with all your heart and know that the angels are celebrating every step you take. Love is within your reach, and the future is full of wonderful promises. You are destined for a life full of beauty, love, and harmony. Trust the process and allow yourself to be surprised by the magic of love. This transcendent connection is more powerful than the currents of time, more enduring than any earthly challenge. It is the promise of a love that surpasses the limits of human understanding. Imagine that every encounter, every challenge overcome, contributes to the construction of this celestial bond. Consider this an invitation to trust in the strength of the bond that unites you with someone whose soul is in tune with yours. With every heartbeat, you will feel the pulse of love shaping the horizon. Do not fear the youth of this feeling, for it is an inexhaustible source of strength, capable of overcoming any obstacle that may arise in your path. Accept this divine gift with humility. Allow the call of your heart to guide you, for the journey that awaits you is an adventure of love that transcends common understanding. The heavens unfold before you, revealing a panorama of possibilities and promises. Trust, for the wisdom of the angels directs your path. This invitation is a declaration of trust in the hands that shape your destiny. May the light of the angels illuminate your path, dispelling any shadow of doubt that may persist. My dear, you are now an active participant in this unfolding story. Accept the celestial invitation to experience the fullness of this predestined love. Let the brightness of the stars guide you, for this is a journey where every step is celebrated by the angels who watch over you. This is a moment of transformation and discovery. It is a phase where you not only prepare for great love, but also for a new version of yourself. Life is providing you with a unique opportunity to grow, to understand yourself deeply, and to be truly ready to receive the love you deserve. The universe conspires in your favor, and the angels are orchestrating every detail so that everything happens at the right time. As you walk this new path, remember that every experience lived so far was a preparation for this encounter. Every smile, every tear, every moment of waiting was necessary to shape who you are today. And it is precisely this person who is ready to receive true and lasting love. The love you are about to find is a love that goes beyond the physical. It is a connection of souls that transcends time and space. It is a love that will be felt in every beat of your heart, in every thought, and in every gesture. This is the love that the angels have prepared for you, a love that is worthy of all your waiting and dedication. Therefore, continue to trust the process. Continue to believe that you deserve the best that life has to offer. And know that, no matter what happens, you will never be alone. The angels are always by your side, guiding each of your steps, celebrating each of your triumphs, and comforting you in every moment of doubt. This is the beginning of a new and wonderful phase in your life. A phase full of love, hope, and happiness. Trust, allow yourself to be surprised, and open your heart to the infinite possibilities that the future holds. You are destined for an extraordinary life, full of true love and deep connections. Enjoy every moment of this journey and know that the best is yet to come. And now, before the celestial message comes to an end, I ask you, how do you receive this invitation from the angels for an eternal love beyond what is considered standard, yet with no difference when it comes to true love? Let your thoughts flow and share your answer, for I eagerly await the voice of your heart. Take a moment to let these words resonate within you. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type Amen to claim this message and the blessings it contains. To help increase your blessings, share this video with your groups and others who may also benefit from the message of this video. An important message awaits in the next video. I hope every word has touched your heart and that you have found inspiration and comfort in our message of love and hope. Always remember that you are not alone on this journey and that a higher power is taking care of you every step of the way. May God be with you and stay tuned for the next video of hope and love. Amen.